Hello everybody, my name is Tony Gomez and today I want to do something special because I feel very lucky and I'm gonna show you why I feel very lucky. I just got my Lavivid box. Oh my god, every time that I get this box, it's like heaven. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to install this new baby, but first let me show you how it is inside. So we open the box and we're gonna find this plastic, and inside the plastic bag we have the hair system, and here we have this is how to care the hair systems. So it's special because is sometimes we don't know how to do something. Having this type of little details is like the best thing. So I was like tired of using the same short hair, so I got this long one, and it came with this cream. It's like I don't know if you can see it. It's amazing. So look how shiny it is. Oh my gosh. Just come with a paper padding, I think. Look, she's amazing. The skin lace, the texture is everything. Oh my gosh. You're gonna have, you know what? This is the new era. So now I'm gonna show you how to install the hair systems. I know for a fact, because that's happened to me before, that it's kind of scary, because first you're gonna say, I don't want to do any mistake, but let me tell you, it's super easy. So the things that I use most is little tapes, and I use the scalp protector, and I have my hair systems. Okay, so what I do first I grab my hair systems and I glue all in this area. I glue all. Okay guys, we start by peeling off a part of the tape to place into the edge of the hair systems, and we can put a little bit of pressure until it looks like this. To protect our scalp, we use this scalp protector, which also helps the hair to adhere more strongly to our scalp. We remove two tapes to start attaching their hair systems to our head, making sure to secure into the desired position. To cut the lace, I make a cut in the middle and then finish cutting the rest, and always making sure to be careful. If any part is not sticky, you can use tweezers and apply like this. To finish, I use this hairband around the head and wait at least for 1 hour to make sure that it's ready. And that's it. This is the result. As I say, it's quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoy it.